Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a really fun box to share with you, and that is my Variety Fun box. So Variety Fun, I am a partner with them. So they send this box to me for review, and I really enjoy this box. A lot of people in my life enjoy this box too, and they can't wait until I get it, and I will tell you why. So Variety Fun is a snack subscription service. Who doesn't love to snack? I love a good snack, right? So they have two options that you can get either bi-weekly or monthly for their subscription service. They are really affordable. So you can get a snack box starting at $24.99. For your first month, if you haven't tried Variety Fun yet, I have a code. It's Kayla's Closet 20, and that gets you 20% off of your first box. So that's really nice. So if you get like the most affordable box, which is $24.99, your first box is only $19.99. You can't beat that. And free shipping. So many times, I know I'm going off a little bit, but I go online and I want to order something and then I have to pay for shipping. I'm like, no, I don't want to pay for shipping. So I do appreciate that Variety Fun offers free shipping for their boxes and no commitment either. So you don't have to commit to like a year's worth of boxes. You don't have to do that with Variety Fun. One of my absolute favorite things about Variety Fun is that they give back. So Variety Fun donates each month to City Harvest, and they don't, or through City Harvest, and they donate through to families in need. They donate snacks, and I like that. I love a company that gives back. That's something that's really important to me. Variety Fun also has two different kind of boxes that you can choose from, types of boxes that you can choose from. They have a fit box, which includes some like healthier snacks, and then they have a fun box, which is like your classic snacks, so your chips, your cookies, and occasionally they do throw in like a healthier snack in the fit box too. So I do have a set of notes. I want to make sure I hit everything that I needed to. I think I did. So Variety Fun, I really enjoy this box. I use this for so many different things, but one of the biggest things that I do, I take this box, I bring it to work, and the staff just love this box. They ask me when I'm getting my next box all the time because they just love the snacks that come in here, and they're so different. It's a good way to try new snacks. You will receive things that you've already tried and heard of, but you will receive snacks that you've never heard of before. So it is a great way to try new snacks. So they love it when I bring it to work, and it brings people into my office because I keep it in a little bowl and they come in and they pull whatever they want. I also think it's a great time to try it now. We're in October. Halloween's coming up, so if you have kids, it's good, to put, trick-or-treating's coming up, things like that. It's also good if your kids play sports. You take this box to like the field and it'd be a hit. The kids can kind of just pull from all the snacks and choose whatever one they want. It's good for lunch boxes and things like that. It's good just to have in your pantry. It's good for so many different reasons. As an adult too, I take trips to vineyards and wineries and things like that with my friends, and so we pack snack bags. And so I can pack some of the snacks that we receive in here when we go on trips like that. So lots and lots of road trips. So it would be great to bring this on a road trip too. There's so many different uses for this box. And like I said before, who doesn't love a good snack? So I'm excited to see what I got this month, and I know that my people at work are going to be so happy that I got my new Variety Fun box. So let's dig in. Here it is. And then let me open it up and show you. I don't know how they get it packaged like this because when I go to bring it back to work, I can't get it back as condensed as they have it here. It's so neat. Look at that. And they give you a little note too, so I like that. Hey Kayla, it's that time again. Pumpkin spice and sweaters. Are you enjoying the fall weather? We hope you enjoy your October snack box as a Variety Fun partner. So much fun. This is the October box, and I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna like go through every single snack, but I'm gonna pull them out quickly. So I got the Remy's Grams, they're chocolate. Abby's Cookies, chocolate chip. Ooh, Honey Grams. I do love those. Ooh, and then cinnamon, that's great. Ooh, fall tea, cinnamon grams. Ooh, that would be fun. Or coffee, I'm having my coffee, so be good to have with those. These are organic My Super Cookies, Honey Heroes whole grain. Fun, see, they're good for kids too. And then Abby's Shortbread Cookies. And then, I think Chocolate Heroes again. Fun. And then these are always a hit too. These M&M cookies, and they're the bite-sized ones. My favorite. I love Goldfish. This is my favorite snack. Yep, no one's getting these. These are mine. Cracker Jacks. Those are fun. Haven't had those in a while. Hot fries. Actually, I think I got these last time, and somebody said to me, Kayla, you've never tried these hot fries before, and I hadn't, and they're pretty good. So, yay. Animal crackers. I love animal crackers too. See, this is so much fun. See, I like getting snacks like this. Cheez-Its. I got the white cheddar. And then I also got a pack of the original. I love the Cheez-Its original. Oh, and Chex Mix. I was actually craving Chex Mix last night, and I wish I had a bag of it. I thought I did at home, and I didn't. So I'm going to have this probably after. Oh, Goldfish that. I don't know. A Nutri-Grain bar. Oh, I love Pirate's Booty. Love it. I have a big bag, but this is good to bring to work for a snack. Yeah, they're not going to get that one either. The Goldfish and the Pirate's Booty are mine. Yep. And then we got a couple packages of Pringles. We got the original and then the cheddar cheese. And then we got a bunch. We're not done yet. We got the Nature Valley Crunch Oats and Honey. And then I love Skittles. See, you get some candy in here too. See, this is good for Halloween. Skittles are my favorite. Variety Fun, did you know Skittles are my favorite candy? Yeah. This box might not go to work. This box might stay here. This is, no, I'll share. I'll be nice. This is the Nature's Valley Peanut Butter Bar. I like those for, I'm not a big breakfast person, so I like those for the morning time, like around 9:30 when I'm at work. I like those to have. And then I have a Kashi chocolate almond, ooh, a sea salt variety bar. Can't wait to try that. And then these are Grandma's, this is a big package. Vanilla cookies. Are they vanilla? Yeah. So much fun. I'm running out of room to put these things. And Lexi's over here sniffing. She thinks they're her snacks, but no. These are people snacks, Lex. And then these are, ooh, fudge brownies. 70 calories, nice. I'm gonna have to start putting stuff back in the box. And then I like these Welch's fruit snacks. We got a couple packages of these. Those are always fun to have. And then the peanut butter crackers are always a good classic snack. Ooh, and Cliff Bars. I love Cliff Bars. These are chocolate chip. So fun. See, you get a lot of variety. And there's a lot of different uses for these snacks. Oh, I've never tried these. Nutri-Grain Bites. Grape-tastic. These would be good for a morning snack too. And then a Lucky Charms soft baked treat. It's a marshmallow blondie. Fun. We got a Lara bar. I think that's how you say it. It's the original fruit and nut bar, peanut butter chocolate chip. I love these bars. Variety Fun. Nice box this month. They always send good boxes. And then we got a couple of the chewy granola bars. One's oatmeal raisin and one is peanut butter chocolate chip. Both flavors that I really, really like. Whoops. If you know how you go to Costco? I know we have a few more things, but you know how you go to Costco or like Sam's or BJ's or things like that, and you get like those snack packages? You only get a certain amount, like a certain variety. This gives you like a whole big variety of snacks. You're not just getting a variety of chips, you're getting a variety of snacks. So this is really nice. So then we have the Oreo cookies. And then Belvita. See, it never ends. There's more. Belvita Blueberry. These are breakfast. I have never tried these either. And then these are more of the crackers, peanut butter crackers. We have an Airhead, see, candy. And then a Rice Krispie Treat Original. The original are my favorite too. And then lastly, the Grandma's Oatmeal Raisin. So, wow, this was such a great box. I have so many fun snacks to try and to have because some of these I have had before, but that's great because I loved this box. So if you haven't given it a try and you want to, please use my code. You will get that 20% off. It can't hurt to try your first month. If you get the most affordable box, it's 20 bucks. So thank you so much for watching and spending some time with me today. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video.